Our next setting is called Meal Beverage Bright. This is more of a warm setting, more of a setting for the passengers as they're getting ready for their meal service. Our next setting is called Eclipse. What I want you to notice on this is it changes into this light setting is that the center bin as well as the outboard lights are different colors. This allows you to make some very dynamic scenes. It can simulate sunrises, sunsets. Additionally, the sidewall lights are different colors. So by combining all this, you can use customized light settings for our customers. They can use this to brand their airplane, but also make very unique scenes and make a very unique passenger experience. This next one's Tokyo for our friends at Japan Airways. This next setting is called Pink Lady. And this next setting is called Dusk, one of my personal favorites. And finally, to showcase what the LED lighting is capable of, we'll do the rainbow crawl, which is made famous across the world.
These are much bigger.
Yeah. As I said, it's 50% bigger. It's just about the same number of passengers. And also, you probably noticed that too. It's like, even when you're standing like underneath the middle, you're still for passengers.
The rainbow color there.
Yeah.
You guys got about 20 different lighting.
So you can see here with our rainbow lights, you can see all the various colors that are capable with our dynamic LED lighting system. You can use these colors to create various scenes as well as brand it to the customers' airplanes. So that concludes our lighting demonstration. Thank you very much.